Hi, it's me.
Oh, this is amazing, guys. What a treat. And poor kids. The kid. Oh my god, look at. Oh, wow. Okay, we couldn't record that. The entrance to the highest balcony, which is, guys, let me try to show you. It's yeah, it's the stairs up, and over there is the balcony. You can actually see from here the balcony. Let me adjust. You may see people walking, but it was too hot for me, so we are going on the balcony. I really love the humidity and this weather, but it was totally too hot for me. I couldn't make it. Ooh, that's so cool. At all. Oh my god, it's hotter and wetter and hotter and hotter. Oh my god. Oh, it's so humid. But what we got here is priceless, right? All the beauties we saw and we see. So I have to record quick because it's so humid and so hot. So you will not even imagine. Okay. So okay, now we have to go. It's like 150 degrees. It's Pantamacrophylla, very pretty. So how?
28 degrees and probably at least
so it's
75%.
28 Celsius, right? Yeah. Fahrenheit, what is like 92. Look, we have here fiddly fig. Oh my god, guys, look at this beautiful epipremnum. It is huge. Totally huge. This palm tree leaf, it's so huge. Let me try to. I don't know, can you see? It's really huge. Oh guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't make it to the balcony, but it's really hot. I'm sweating. But it's totally amazing experience. My hair is curling up. The sweat is running. Oh, look at this roots. Well, it's worth every penny. Oh, look, Zamikulkas. Roots. Mimosa pudrica. Am I evil now then? Sometimes they react on you see? Everything closes.
Is he? Oh wow.
So what we just saw was a very beautiful, magnificent water lily garden with some kind of glass exhibition, extremely pretty. And I got to photograph an artist, which is amazing, and I'm loving it. I'm gonna send her pictures later. I can put her picture here, maybe. And yeah, so now we will wander about more, but it's so hot, incredibly hot. Oof. Look, my hair. Oh, nothing looks good anymore, but that's okay. Okay. So this is Princess of Wales Conservatory. We are about to enter it. It's very beautiful outside. Nice landscaping. Look at this agave. Oh gosh, can you imagine have it at home? It's kind of... And look, water. And there's water lilies. Look, plenty of water lilies. Pink, purple. Wow. So, going in. Oh, opuntia is flowering. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Huge. Beautiful opuntia collection. You can see it. And this is my beautiful, beautiful boyfriend. So, please note, Kew Garden closed at 5, Conservatory closed at 4. So we are entering the desert zone, and we are welcomed of pelargoniums and all other flowers. And this is the Chihuly Reflections of Nature, which is actually right now. Isn't that amazing? Oh, we have this one home. Yes, nice pelargonium, and we have it a little bit at home, so we can see all beautiful, amazing species. Agaves, cacti. Oh, this is interesting. What is this? Candelilla galito macrocarpus, and it's flowering. Beautiful tiny flowers. Agave attenuata. Amazing. Wow. Oh, cholla. Over there. And there is humifusa, we have it at home too. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. And here we have all this Chiladropsis and other Chinopsis. Beautiful babies. Stones. They are of course behind the glass. Yeah. All lives depend on plants. How to do the vital work of donating today, and we're gonna donate some.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, look at this jade. Ooh. This jade is pretty. Nej. Liknande.
Oh, so quite a few things. Yeah.
Oh, this is nice jade. So plump. Oh wow, this one is really plump. I didn't. So we have to go to the right? Oh. Oh yeah, he works here. I was afraid that he... Oh, look at this Grussonia. Beautiful park.
Compared to their dying, I think they're dying.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Very beautiful, guys. Look at this beautiful cristata form of Grussonia. Oh, everything is so huge and amazing. And this one we have it at home. Yeah. Oh, look at the fruits of this one. And oh, what a beautiful flower. Look at the balls. Oh, that's titties. That looks kinda different. Beautiful, guys. This is really worth. Oh, look. Cereus lanata is getting crested. That's kind of amazing. Don't you love it? Look, lots of babies. And parodia getting crested. I wonder how this came about. Oh, look, lots of parodias flowering. And these flowers are huge. So now we may know, because we can buy these things at our nursery, and now we know what the name is. So watering at Kew. They also need water. I think this is Queen of the Night or something. Should we go to the other zone? To the tropical zone. Exciting. Oh my gosh, look at these flowers. Look. Huge. Okay, so this is my nightmare. We just... Yeah, kids. This is a lipstick plant or some kind of goldfish plant. All spathiphyllums, alocasias. All the kids. Jesus. Oh yeah, we're going to the carnivorous plant. It's cool area. That's much better. Let the kids get out. It's not that I hate kids, but right now when it's hot and humid, it's better to look at carnivorous plants. Look at these beauties. Totally amazing. So many species, varieties, sizes. It really is amazing. I will take you around and I will take some photos so I can put on my Facebook, and you can follow me on my Facebook. I will attach links below. Yeah. Yeah, so everything is so beautiful here. Oh look, I like them butter. I call them butter, not like them butter. I call them butter because they are so sticky, but also so pretty. Wow, it's a fly paper trap, they call it here. That's interesting. Yeah, it's a sticky killer. Pest control. I actually have it at home. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Oh guys, it's beautiful here. Definitely something to remember and visit. Constant work at Kew Garden. Beautiful. And the roots and everything. Oh my gosh. Let me show you the other one. Look. Oh, you cannot see the fish from here because it's reflecting. No. Too bad, maybe. No. Oh, this is the plant everyone wants. Very beautiful details. So let me show you Japanese lantern hibiscus. Isn't it beautiful? So amazing. So amazing. We've been here for 2 hours now.
We've soon seen everything.
Soon, yeah. Tropical zone for ferns. Oh, ferns. Ferns gonna be wet here. Oh, but cold. Nice. Beautiful anthuriums. So as you can see, we are in the orchid garden. There are orchids everywhere. everywhere. Vandas, more vandas. Passiflora murucuya. That's a very interesting leaves. Kind of fused. Huge monstera. And look at this. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? More vandas. This whole wall of vandas. Huh? Oh, look. Totally amazing. Look what we found! Kew Garden lizard. What is it, Gun?
A water dragon.
Water dragon. It's pretty anyway. So let's see aquarium. And whatever it is, it's beautiful. Let's take a picture. I think this is Piraya. So this is when life is hard, you learn to adapt. The Davis Alpine house. This is the house which actually uses, I think, underground ventilation system, so it's kind of cooler inside during the summer and hot or warmer during the winter, so it's quite interesting ventilation system. Oh, this is the vents. It actually gives very cold wind. Protection from the sun.
Jag vet inte om det är namn, hur är den?
Welcome to Asia, temperate house. It's huge. Let's have a walk around. We are in Asia now, honey. We all know what it is, don't we? Beautiful. I really love the Kew Gardens display. I love it. Hello. Oh, the sculpture. So this is the Temperance House in Kew Gardens. View from the top. Oh wow. View from the top. I'm extremely scared of heights, and I went through the stairs just to show you the beauty of the garden and the sculptures. Look at the sculptures, is magnificent. Totally beautiful. So this is what I want to share with you. Wait, I want to do it like this. We go around, round, round, round. Hello again. Here. So this would be an entrance. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And I will show you. So as you can see, guys, how high this is. Very. And here you can see the Kew Garden house, one of these houses. And on the bridge we have all this information. They can bury 5,000 acorns in autumn. That's a lot. So lots of information and trees, and I love it. And my boyfriend, and I love him too. Huh? Tree roots are twice as wide as the tree is tall, but only a meter deep. Oh, that's interesting. A meter deep. So if tree is like 16 meters, so it can be 32 meters wide. Wow. Hi guys. Woo!